Make a great choice today with the 2017 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, CD player, electronic stability control, brake assist. Come take a test drive today.